Little Ryobi tool review again. This is a follow-up to the video I did regarding the Ryobi 18-volt chainsaw, which I smoked in probably about 7 to 8 hours. Completely had a puff of gray smoke and terrible smell come out of it. Worked it for 32 days. Couldn't have put more than 8 hours on it. Wasted it. Took it back to Home Depot. Got my money back real easily. Thank you, Home Depot. And traded it in on the 40-volt Ryobi, another 50 or 60 bucks, 199 bucks with the battery and a charger. This is the battery and the charger. It takes about 4 hours to recharge those. A couple things I want to tell you about it. I like it. It has comparable power to my Echo gas saw. One other thing I can tell you, for folks that don't like throwing petroleum all over your yard or your property, canola oil works just as good as bar oil. One of the unique features of this saw is that the chain tensioner is on this piece, and the adjustment is right there. I like it. It works pretty well. Hard to find out what size file to use to sharpen. 5-30 seconds is the answer, and you should get proficient. I touch up the blade every battery or so. Having now had the 18 volt, like I said before, I'm a Ryobi guy. I've got lots of their tools around, and I have had them for years, and I have them in multiple locations in my life. Don't buy the 18 volt chainsaw. Just don't do it. It's a toy. This is a tool. That is a toy. Okay. Better than the 18 volt and more utilitarian would be getting the reciprocating saw with the right kind of blade for wood. And this is one that's made by Milwaukee, I think. And you see the teeth pattern in that? It's really wide, and it works great. I tried this type of blade. It got gunked up with pulp really quickly and became useless. So definitely recommend against the 18 volt. I'm in favor of the 40 volt because it just blasts. It's a real saw. And the other thing I'll tell you that I'm completely surprised about is this particular tool right here. I bought it to inflate my guests' air mattresses when they visit us here in Hawaii, but I use it every day to blow off my tools, to blow off my bench. You'd be surprised how often you'll use this if you buy this. Instead of grabbing compressed air for stuff, cleaning out my shop vacuums, filter. I just take it out into the trees and blow it out with this. It works awesome. So if you have an opportunity to buy that, I'm going to buy one when I'm back in my other place to have there too, without a doubt. All right, that's the update. Oh, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up so it'll get shared around on YouTube.